We have a wonderful day planned for you. It's a lot of fun out on our San Diego Bay. First and foremost, the easiest way to get in the boat is to step into it. You're gonna line yourself up. You're gonna step into the boat. You sit on this top rail right here. You slide over, and then the captain is gonna sit in the boat. Everything on this boat is set up for the easiest operation, and in a lot of ways, this is easier than a jet ski. Believe it or not, all your turns are like quarter turn, quarter turn. We're making wide circles because we're on the ocean. Throughout the whole tour, when I say, hey guys, here comes a wake, small wake, then you're gonna slow down a little bit. And then as soon as you're up and over the wake, you're gonna speed up again. And by doing that, we can actually cover more than 10 miles this morning on the water. Where we're gonna take off from is, we're literally right here. Our very first stop is we're gonna go over and we're gonna go see the seals. There's a lot of them. There's over 50 of them hanging out at our world famous San Diego Bait Barge. It's way cool. Then we're gonna race all the way down to the bridge, get some beautiful shots of our Coronado Bridge, do a little bit of narration on what's actually on Coronado. As you can see, it's our Naval Air Station, more than half of it. And then we start part of the tour where we have our Embarcadero and our cruise ships and our Maritime Museum and the Midway. And we literally get up close and personal with the Midway. So it's a fun tour. We'll be on the water roughly an hour and a half. With that said, I'm going to start at the boats and we are out of here.